If you know me, you know that I'm a marketplace fiend. I love scrolling through marketplace and finding my next little project that I can tinker with and fix up and then sell for a profit. It's kind of like a hobby within a hobby, right? We're all into cars, we like working on them, and we like making money. So typically my strategy goes as far as buying a couple of little cars like a Corolla or a Vibe or a Ford Focus or something like that, and basically fixing those up, selling them, making the profit, and then I'll switch over and buy one nicer car, right, of higher value. Typically my nicer cars consist of LS products. I love LS products. That's kind of why you're here. And of course it's a rhythm that goes back and forth and back and forth. Recently I've been working on a couple of Vibes and I've made some money, so now it's naturally time for another LS product. Now I've had just about every LS product you can think of, G8s, GTs, GTOs. I've had Catfishes, Corvettes obviously. I still have my first Corvette. I will never sell that thing.
Bury me in that thing.
Camaros, ZL1s, V1s, V2s. I've had just about everything except for a Trailblazer SS. So there's a reason why I'm telling you all about this. My mom got one as a courtesy car back when I was in middle school one day. It was a black 3SS and I absolutely fell in love with it. So I've always wanted one, and naturally this is why we are here. Over the last few weeks I've been looking for specifically a black 3SS. I really didn't care what year it was, but I just wanted a black 3SS, obviously leather interior, all of that, rear wheel drive. I've been looking so hard for this car. I've looked through Marketplace, I've even extended like the miles so that you can search and broaden the search, and finally, I found it. It was in Tampa. It was in Tampa, 122,000 miles, a 2007 black 3SS, black interior, as it should be, and it had a slightly built transmission. So, here is my 2002 Electron Blue Corvette Z51, fully loaded, and it's got mag wheels from the factory. Yeah, that didn't go as planned. Before we go for a drive, let's address the elephant in the room and clear the air on something. It's an automatic. It's a slush box, it's an A4, it's a basic ass transmission. It shifts for you. But I like it, and before anybody asks, I don't care what you think. Okay? Because I absolutely fucking love Corvettes. I love driving my C5 everywhere. But now with my new job, my commute is a little bit more difficult, and I'm stuck in traffic a little bit more than I should be. I love the Vibe, don't get me wrong, I'm in love with that thing. But I figured, you know, let's go for a different experience, and I saw this thing. It was actually a friend of mine's. He wanted to sell it. I got a very good deal on it. I'm very appreciative of that, and now it's time to enjoy this thing. Now, it's not perfect. It has a couple of things that I need to address, and we're gonna go over those. It drives great. It's a cream puff. It's only got 61,000 miles on it. It's a 2002 Electron Blue with a Z51 package. It's got the heads-up display. It's got the all-black leather interior. It's fully loaded. It has the 12-disc CD changer, because I'm so excited to use that in 2024. And it's got it's actually got MagRide version 1.0. This was MagRide 1.0, the first MagRide that GM ever really used that copied Ferrari, at least part of the patent that Ferrari designed. So yeah, let's check it out. Here she is. She is a absolutely bone stock 2002 Electron Blue C5 Corvette with the factory optioned magnesium wheels. These were significantly lighter than the Y2K wheels that came on it. And from my understanding, don't quote me on this, but I believe this is one of 147, meaning that there were only a total of 147 cars that were optioned from factory with the magnesium wheels. I don't know how true that is, but if it is, that's pretty cool actually. So let's check this thing out a little better. Paint is super clean. Just need to paint correct it, give it some shine. Bone stock. Factory exhaust. It sounds super quiet. I'll probably throw a set of TI mufflers on there, but I'm just enjoying it as it is. It's perfect spec, honestly. It's got a couple of things that I definitely need to work on. The ABS module is toast, but it's a 2001 and up, so that should be easy to fix. It's got an oil pressure sensor that's pegged, another typical issue. It's really not that big of a deal. Sport seats because it's a Z51. Everything works. I've got the glass top as well. Bone stock. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, and it has brand new Continental tires all around. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with this one. I think I'm just gonna enjoy it for everyday driving. That's really the whole point of this. If I wanted a race car, I'll just open the garage and pull out the other C5. But this is just so comfortable and so enjoyable for everyday driving. I love it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. This is my new to me Trailblazer SS. That's funny how that worked out. I'm not gonna go too deep into this thing. I'm just gonna enjoy it for my day-to-day, daily driving commute. It's great as it is. I enjoy it so much as it is. And I'm just gonna fix a couple of little things here. I do have a video that's gonna come out soon on how to replace a couple of LEDs in the car to get it, to get you started. And that's going to be coming out soon. But thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and thanks for subscribing. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. And I love LS cars. Obviously, that's why you're here. God damn it. Can I just fucking record this stupid video?